Specifically engineered for high-frequency and microwave applications, Rogers PCBs are high-performance printed circuit boards composed of cutting-edge laminate materials. Rogers PCBs offer stable performance at high speeds, low dielectric loss, and superior signal integrity in contrast to conventional FR4 boards. For demanding industries like 5G telecommunications, satellite communication systems, military radar, aerospace, and automotive radar sensors, they are therefore the preferred option. Our specialty at HighPCB is creating Rogers PCBs at the ideal ratio of premium quality to affordable prices. Our team has years of experience and produces cutting-edge solutions that adhere to exacting performance and dependability requirements. We manage every step of the process, including design, fabrication, assembly, and thorough testing, for everything from multi-layer Rogers boards to mixed material stack-ups. HighPCB guarantees quick turnaround, superior quality, and outstanding value, whether you need prototypes or mass production. Join forces with us to ensure the success of your upcoming high-frequency project.